So there's a quick look and demo of this earwax removal camera. Also referred to as an otoscope, this thing is actually surprisingly easy to set up and seemed very high quality right out of the package. I really like the look of the black handle and blue button, and it comes with everything you need right out of the box to get set up. It's very easy. All you're gonna do is plug in that USB-C charging cable in the back. Also comes with some different ear tips to be able to clean out your ears in different ways. When it's low on battery, that button is red, and when it's fully charged, that button is bright blue. So you can see it flashing there. That means it's not hooked up to Wi-Fi, but there's that little light. Super easy to connect via the app. It's gonna hook up to your Wi-Fi, and then you can see that the camera kind of stays upright, which is really nice. If you are queasy, I would look away now. But this is going into the ear. You can see it's actually fairly clean because I had already cleaned this out, but this is super satisfying to watch on your phone via the app. It is really handy. And again, it comes with a bunch of different ear tips to be able to get out what you need to in different ways. This did not hurt at all. Of course, you want to be cautious when you're going into your own ear. So make sure to read all of the helpful instructions in the manual. It does come with a very detailed manual, which is really nice. Also, the app is very easy to download and set up. Honestly, this was a lot easier and cooler to use than I thought it would be. And I like that you can easily switch out those different tips, clean them off. It's just a little silicone tip that slides onto that metal piece, which you can remove off and on and then screw back onto the tip. So overall, very impressed with this and definitely recommend it.